So let's make homemade sanitizer. So I will be going to be your host today, Daksh from class 7. So in the eco-friendly sanitizer, I will be going to use the neem leaves, sliced aloe vera, turmeric powder and some camphor. Firstly, we will have to wash these neem leaves very carefully as they will be the main ingredient of our sanitizer. We have to boil 2 cups of water and let's take these camphors and add it into sanitizer. Boil it till 10 minutes. Take the aloe vera pulp and blend it. It is mixed. Now strain the aloe vera gel in the strainer. Add the boiling neem water into the strained aloe vera. Then mix it. Add this mixture into the container. Now our hand sanitizer is done. Thank you. Have a nice day.